In this Testable Minds review, I'm going to be showing you a website in which you can be making money by filling out surveys. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Testable Minds is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that is personally making me about 0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's an absolutely free guide. You don't have to pay or anything. So coming back to Testable Minds. So Testable Mind, you can come to this website and you can register right over here and you can get paid for filling out surveys. It is a worldwide website, so it is pretty great. So no matter where you are from the world, you can always access Testable Minds. So the tests are based on psychological and behavioral experiments, and you can also contribute to their quest in understanding how the mind works, and you can earn some money by the side. So that's how you do it. You can contribute to your to their research and all that stuff, and you can get started by creating your account and you can just open the link. So if you go here, sometimes the Testable Minds don't allow new participants. Right now it's written here registration of new participant is temporarily paused. The reason why they are telling is that they have enough participants right now, which is why they are not allowing new participants. You can actually try again in a few weeks. I have been trying to get into this for the past few days, but I haven't able to do that. But if you keep checking it out every single day, maybe you can get your account signed up. And also, if you want to know the threshold of Testable Minds, let me show you. So this is the FAQ. You have to just scroll down here and they are telling this option. So you can either get the payments via Revolt or PayPal. So they are suggesting you to take Revolt because it's one of the new best bank and they don't have any fee that you have to pay. But if you're choosing PayPal, you would have to pay up to 5% of the total amount that you are going to be withdrawing. So I would suggest you guys to use Revolt. But if you don't want to take the hard work, you can go with PayPal. But remember guys, you're going to have to pay this $5 commission. And talking about the threshold, if you're a verified mind, you can withdraw it for $10. And if you're not a verified mind, you will have to reach till $20. And then the subsequent withdrawal, you can get it after your balance reaches $10. So if you didn't understand what a verified mind is, so what you have to do is you have to verify your ID. So you have to give your government ID in your local country to Testable Mind in order to get a verified profile. So I suggest you guys doing this if you are interested in Testable Minds, because in that way you can get more surveys and you can withdraw when you reach $10 itself. So let's go back to the website and see some of the surveys. So if you look at here, they are paying $1.5 for just 10 minutes of survey. Then they are paying like $3 for 20 minute survey and $2 for 30 minute survey. So I think it's pretty good because for the amount of time and the returns, I think it's pretty good. They pay reasonable. I don't think the pay is pretty low. I think it is pretty good itself. But the problem with website like Testable Mind is that you can't be earning a lot of money when you come to a website, when you come to a survey website like this. The maximum you can be earning is about $50 per month when you come to a website like this. So if you scroll down, they are telling you guys that Testable Mind is a community of people with a genuine interest in helping science. So they are only looking for a people that are genuinely interested in helping them with science. So it's shown here that the participation in studies is paid, but this is not a labor market. Remember guys, it's not a labor market or a money making website. They limit the individual participant and earnings up to only $50 per month. So again guys, you can't be earning a lot of money with testable mines. If you're looking for a way to make a lot of money, this is not the way to go. But if you're interested in making a few couple of dollars per month doing surveys, or if you want to genuinely help them with their signs, you can go for it. That's what I would like to say. And also I would like to mention that the surveys that you're going to be getting in testable mine is not going to be a lot of them. You're going to probably getting 1 or 2 surveys per day, and it really depends on your location. So if you're coming from an English speaking country, you're apparently gonna be getting a lot of surveys every single day. But if you're from a country that is not English speaking, you're probably not going to be getting any surveys every single day even after you register. So that's kind of a downfall. And also I would like to mention that if you are a verified mine, you can be getting a lot more surveys. So I just suggest that you guys actually verify your government ID with testable mines. But if you don't want to do it, it's also okay. Overall, I would like to tell you guys it's a legitimate website, but the money making potential in a survey website like this is pretty low. So that's basically it for this video. I would like to recommend that if you're interested in making money online, like how I have done it, I am personally making about $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 per month with this affiliate marketing strategy. So if you guys want to check out the strategy, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free guide that can help you guys to start your affiliate marketing journey. So that's basically it for this video of testable mines. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on another review video.